Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Rangiesto. And for today's episode, taste test review and how to make self-heating rice meal. Xiaoyang self-heating instant rice meal with yogurt drink. Now available on Shell Select stores located at Shell Gas Station, Tabukan, Iloilo City, and also available Taft Branch with 4 flavors to choose from: roast beef, Sichuan sausage, spicy shredded pork, and tomato beef. For fullness of procedure and other details, I'll provide description down below. And this episode is not sponsored by. Ito biniyaran ko in my own personal experience. And disclaimer na mga knows is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to brand or tastes reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa mga latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. Kapag binakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds, ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na yon sa aking channel. This is spicy shredded pork for 189 pesos. This is their yogurt drink. It has a light taste for its yogurt essence and very similar yung texture and flavor for Yakult. Perfect pair for your rice meal. Okay, for rating mga nose, based sa akin experience and overall review, I'll give it a perfect 10. And manos, yan yung easy steps on how to make self-eating rice bowl by Xiaoyang. Also, yung yogurt drink nila, ito na yung rice meal nyo. Ito, mainit pa yung dito sa edge and also sa bottom part. So, yung dapat hawakan nyo is yung left and right handle. Really icon dito, meaning po spicy flavor po siya. Ito perfect siya sa on the go and also sa mga pang travel. Most especially sa mga camping. Nakita ko lang to, trending sa TikTok. And it was a fun experience based on consistency ng rice after 15 minutes, very soft in texture, and yung spiciness, ito nasa level 4 out of 5. Sweet and savory, on point siya with its sauces. And mga nos, thank you so much for joining me in the next brand, DIY, or Tastes Review here in City Club in Iloilo City. Bye!